This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Free Fire loading issue on iPhone. So whenever you launch the Free Fire app, you see it's stuck on loading screen. Follow these simple steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check your internet working fine. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it means your internet is good. Then you can open your control center and enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and disable airplane mode. And you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi, and make sure to use a strong internet connection and then check the issue. The second solution is remove the Free Fire game from background and then give a simple restart and then relaunch the Free Fire app, and hope this solution will fix the issue. The third solution is offload the Free Fire app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. Here tap on Free Fire, offload the app from here and reinstall it, and then check the issue. The last and final solution is uninstall your Free Fire app and reinstall it, and hope this solution will fix Free Fire loading issue on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.